Hi guys, Tamara LINKOWSKI from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and sometimes when you're doing keto, you just crave some delicious bread and butter. So I'm going to show you how to make a big pan of bread and butter and eat it and lose weight and get healthy and everything, okay? So we're going to do 3 cups of the skinny bread mix. Then we're going to do, oh my gosh, change my mind. I want to make cornbread and butter. 3 cups of skinny bread mix, 3 cups of egg whites, okay, and then I'm gonna do 1.5 cups plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I know about how much 1.5 cups is. If you guys don't, measure it out. That's about 1.5 cups. So if I want bread and butter, this is what I do. I'm gonna mix it, I'm gonna put it in the pan, and I'm gonna bake it for a half hour at 350. But because I wanna make cornbread, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 3/4 cup sweetie to this and 2 tablespoons cornbread extract, okay? And this is going to make it taste like cornbread. Now we're gonna mix it with a fork. I like to put the cornbread extract in with the egg whites so that it mixes thoroughly. Okay guys, and we are going to spray the pan. And we're gonna pour this in there. Just a second, I wanna taste it. I have to make sure it tastes good. It tastes just like cornbread. It's got enough cornbread in it. We're gonna spray the pan and then we're gonna pour this in there. And if you want just bread and butter or cornbread and butter, this is how you do it. Can't beat it. This texture is absolutely delicious. And then what I do with the bread is I go like this, and that way it spreads out a little bit more evenly. Okay, we're gonna bake this for about 30 minutes and we'll be right back. Here's my bread and butter or cornbread if you want to make either one. And again, it took just 30 minutes in the oven. It made 12 servings. And again, if you're hungry, you want a meal prep, you want bread and butter one day and you just want it ready and you want to warm it up or toast it, you just cut it in 12 servings so you know you're eating a serving a day, okay? Or at least 1 serving a day. And what I do when I freeze it is I just wrap it up in a paper towel and then I stick it in a Ziploc bag, okay? This bread, guys, is about 3 net carbs. It's about 150 calories. It's got 11 grams of fiber in it. Like, it's almost all the fiber. I think you only need like 25 grams of fiber a day. So you eat 2 of these a day, you basically have all the fiber you need if you eat a little bit of veggies too. And it's got about 20 grams of protein in it, okay? So this is a lot of protein and a lot of fiber in one bread. What is bread high in? It's high in carbs and it's high in fat. This bread is high in fiber, high in protein, low in carbs, low in fat. That's why HealthyTreatsMarket.com products help you lose weight and get healthy, okay? It's because the ingredients that we use in here. Okay guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com for more recipes. And if you live nearby, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5.